Lubuyile uthando nesithembu kusho ukuthi siyobabaza kuze kuphele isizini. At this point, I'm starting to think ukuthi umseleku is rage baiting us or ushukela ngeke kusho ukuthi the fact that akayithathi medication is starting to cause damage in his thinking capacity. Because tell me why etshela umpilo ukuthi akabe nengane. Sanibonani, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So ngokukamseleku ukuze kusaveke umuzi kaMakhumalo ongafile, by the way, because umpilo ukhona uhleli khona eMzumbe. Umpilo must now go be a single mother because there's no other way that umpilo can now have a child eshadile leyo ngane ibuye izobe yakamseleku. This is the same man ongayifuni ingane zasine ngoba akuzona ezakamseleku and he's not responsible for them, but ekampilo would be suitable to be ingane yamseleku because umpilo is going to give up her life plans, her career, her education ukuze abe yilento umseleku abona abantu besifazane ukuthi bayiyona, which is inzala abantu kuphela. Umpilo's life and trajectory izobheka kulento uMakhumalo ayona. And uMakhumalo, most of the things she's been able to achieve is because she has not had to focus on raising children. So she's had the time to build herself, to build her career, which is exactly where umpilo is headed. Uthe uphume tertiary wabethola umsebenzi. Okay, doesn't matter ukuthi uthole through connections of the family, it doesn't matter. The fact that she's building her career, she's focused. Akathanga ekhaya kunemali, let me sit ngibo uAmsfold wabona uMakhumalo and then ngilindele ukuthi ngondliwa. She's focused on building herself. Umjolo doesn't seem to be a priority to her. She wants to make her own money and be an independent woman. Why? Because ubonile ukuthi ukuba nemali empilweni kukunika ama-options, ukwazi ukuthatha iy'nqumo njengoMakhumalo and abantu abakuthathi noma kanjani. So now umseleku wants to now cut that down ngokuthi lo munye akabe nengane engakaze athi uplanile. I'm so glad she said no, leave me out of it. I don't want to be involved because what do you mean? What do you mean? She must be a single mom ukuze kuvuke umuzi wakamseleku. Hayi ngeke ngeke. Ingakho ngithi I think this man is trying to rage bait us mhlampe to increase our ratings because this type of thinking, no ways. No ways. But it's a good thing ukuthi uMakhumalo would also not support this nonsense that this man is spewing, and I'm sure noma kaMpilo, her biological mom naye was ubebile mhlampe looking at this because what do you mean? We're trying to tell young girls don't have children out of wedlock, but ubabakho is telling you to have a child while he hates ingane zasiswakho. Wicked. But also the fact that's why it's uLwandla kafakwe esiswini samaKhumalo. I get that it's a cultural thing and it happens, but usaphila nje uMacele. I understand now why Macele would say no to that. Anyway, I don't want to dwell on that. Bengifuna ukubabaza nje umhlola kaMpilo ukuthi akazali ingane ukuzamisa umuzi ongafili because umpilo ukhona yena. But you guys do let me know what you think of this in the comment section. That is it for me for now, and I'll see you in my next one.